This is our Omega CNC/Teach lathe. It swings 22 inches by 31 in the gap, 40-inch centers. It has a Fagor 855T control. This machine was used for demonstration, and it has about 10 hours of cutting time. Just giving you a view of the whole machine. Control showing a can cycle. Handles that are actually pulse generators to give you the feel of a regular engine lathe. It's a sunny day today and the machine's white, so we're getting a little bit of a flashback. Comes with a transformer for 220 to 440 operation. I'm going to come to the back side of the machine because I think it'll give you the best view. We'll bring the spindle on and also show you some carriage movements. If you can see, it's a D18 mount. We're going to bring on the spindle now. And what RPM are we at, Greg?
1200.
We're at 1200 RPM. Going to bring you a little bit closer. We'll ramp up a little bit to 1500. Going to 18. Back to 750. Using the pulse generator now, just to move the carriage and the slides. Come to the front. Now Greg will go to the control and moving the pulse generator out of the way, back and forth. And then you have the doors showing and closing, pull your work part and stop. Coming up to the screen, Greg will pan through and we'll see some of the can cycles. There's a turning cycle, facing cycle, taper cycle, rounding circle, threading cycle, and a grooving cycle. Profiling, tapping, drilling, turning cycle 2. So you have quite a few can cycles built into the control. Showing
G-code side, and I hit reference, and I hit X, cycle start, X-axis homes,
homing axis,
and then we push Z,
homing Z,
and homing Z.
Finding its own position. So that's a quick demonstration of our 22-inch by 40-inch Omega CNC. Also included are a full set of manuals for the machine. Thank you for watching our video.